Welcome friends, and thank you for joining me on an adventure to the Jolla Cove area in the northern part of San Diego. In San Diego, this is a popular snorkeling and diving spot. Even though the visibility here is very poor, the area is known for its Garibaldi, its seals, and its leopard sharks. Tourists will often pronounce the name of this place as La Jolla, though the locals will be quick to correct you and tell you that it's La Jolla. But if you want people to know you are a tourist, please call it La Jolla. Locals will tell you that La Jolla means jewel, the jewel, but that's not true. The word Jolla means jewel, but not Hoya. That means nothing. Locals are liars. Now, the first people that were known to live here, they were the Kumeyaay, and while I'm not going to try to pronounce what they named it, but basically it translated to the land of holes, which probably referred to these caves here. Alright, let's take this to the ground. Got some first person action here. I'm going to follow my guy around here as he explores La Jolla and the cove area. Alright, and right away we find this cool seal here. He's hanging out with this seagull. They're probably roommates. Rent and property is really expensive in La Jolla, so they probably have to share some space. Well, it looks like our guide here found a beautiful spot to relax and just take it all in. Watch some kayakers and some snorkelers just out there. I bet he's wondering if it might be a good idea to go out and swimming in there without the gear, but he might give it a shot. Well, that water does look awfully cold. Well, that guy's in there, so you know, how bad could it be? Oh yeah, that is cold. But I guess that just gives you more incentive to jump on in. Alright, looks like we made it into the water. And almost right away, it looks like our guy is kind of remembering that he might not be the best of swimmers. And he goes about proving that by swimming into a kelp forest. Yeah, this is not horrifying at all, getting tangled up and dragged down to the bottom of the sea. This is fine. Look, he looks fine. Oh, maybe okay, looks like he did the smart thing and swam back out. Alright, good for you, guy. Well, doesn't look like our guy got very far without coughing out his lungs here. And now he looks like he needs a little break. Though he did get pretty close to that first cave there, so I'm betting he'll do the smart thing and just call it a day and head back in. Hey, wait, where are you going, buddy? That's the wrong direction. I mean, it's pretty cool that you got to that cave there, but you're gonna. The last time it didn't go too well. Well, I'm sure it won't happen again. Okay, having learned my lesson, go around. Oh no, got stuck again in the seaweed. Oh look, oh see those orange things? That's Garibaldi. So beautiful. So look at that filming right there. That's like National Geographic catching the majesty of the beautiful Garibaldi, and just that. Oh, and look, more kelp dragging me. There we go. Oh, wrapped up and sinking to the bottom, going to Davy Jones' locker, and oh, sinking and tangled in twine. Oh, beautiful fish. Beautiful Garibaldi gold. Look at that. You got a real professional diver and videographer here. That is, he was tired before, but now, like, look at this fool. All right, I'm at another rock. Oh, the waves came and knocked this sucker off the rock. And whoa, look at what's he doing? Oh, he's not even close. Wait, oh dear, I think I saw another Garibaldi. Oh, look, rocks, watch out. Oh, look at this guy. This guy, oh, he is happy. Look at him. That was part of the plan the whole time. What a genius. What is that noise? I don't know. But look, this guy is amazing, brilliant, and well, he's our hero. Congratulations. You got to the next set of caves. Alright, looks like your boy has sufficiently rested up enough and is back in the water. Let's see here. It looks like he's going for the next set of waves, and I think past experience shows us that this will go well. Well, oh, we're at a rock. Oh, looks like he got to the next one and got up without too much trouble, I guess. Yeah, these caves here, they're really pretty. A bit choppy with lots of waves. Maybe a little bit dangerous, but they're very pretty. I bet he's proud. I bet he feels like he's... Look at him, just surveying. One of the few men to ever venture out so far. Oh, what do you do now, pal? You think it's a good idea just to keep climbing, go higher? Well, I mean, you've had tons of other good ideas, so I'm sure this is another one. Hey, what is this nonsense? This guy's just leisurely gonna paddleboard in this cave after I went through all that? That's a jip. Where are the waves crashing him into the cliffside? Where's the kelp grabbing him and sucking him to the bottom? Where is the feeding frenzy Garibaldi? It's such a letdown. I'm gonna take it personal. Alright, look here. Looks like your boy finally got things under control. Gotta fix his hair. Alright. Feeling good, enjoying the cave. Oh, that's some blood on his elbow. It looks like when he punched the cliff there, he caused the cliff to bleed and cut that cliff open pretty good. I hope it's alright. Alright, so now it's time for your guy to go out and check out a little bit more of the scene. Yeah, he's got a nice little smile on his face, gotten away from those cliffs a little bit. Probably so nothing drastic, nothing exciting more will happen. And what? Okay, looks like he went a little bit further out, and we got some seals. Check out these seals here. Too bad that water's so murky, otherwise this underwater stuff should be amazing. I have no idea what that crazy noise is. It's something with the water in the camera or the seals underwater. I'm clueless. Oh look, there's a gray fish. See him? He's sneaky. He's not like the gold guys and standing out. He's all being like a rock that swims. Nice seal versus seal display. Nice action. Man, I wish this water had better visibility. Man, these guys are practically my lap here. Well, your boy thought he was done and got out of the water here, but seals decided to go ahead and follow him. Here I am thinking we're about done. And this guy, he's basically trying to follow me home. Well, as far as dialogue goes, I'm about done, so I think I will leave you with some drone footage. Thanks for watching.